If you are planning to buy an Apple TV, a Fire Stick, or a Roku today, I need you to stop right now. Put your wallet away and listen closely because you are about to make a massive mistake that you will regret for the next 5 years. We just got massive, game-changing intel on the 2026 Apple TV 4K, and this is not just a small incremental update. This is a total market takeover. Apple is no longer just trying to compete with cheap streaming sticks that lag and crash. They are preparing to destroy them entirely. What is coming in spring 2026 is going to make every current streaming box look like ancient technology from a decade ago. We are seeing a strategic shift so massive that it will change how you think about your living room, your gaming setup, and your smart home forever. On the outside, Apple is playing it safe by keeping that stealthy, matte black box design that everyone loves. It is small, elegant, and vanishes into your entertainment center. But do not let that familiar exterior fool you. The inside is being completely gutted and rebuilt with power that frankly seems overkill for just watching Netflix or YouTube. We are moving from the old A15 Bionic chip to a potential A19 chip, built on the cutting-edge 2nm process. You might wonder why a streaming box needs the same brain as a top-tier iPhone 17 Pro. The answer is simple: Apple is finally getting serious about gaming. We are talking about hardware-accelerated ray tracing. Apple is building a stealth gaming console. Imagine playing AAA video games with realistic lighting, shadows, and reflections right on your TV without needing a $500 PlayStation or Xbox. This chip upgrade makes the Apple TV the best value gaming device ever created. But power is nothing if your internet connection cannot keep up with the data. The 2026 model is solving the #1 complaint of every person who streams high-quality content, the dreaded buffering wheel. With a new custom wireless chip, we are expecting full Wi-Fi 7 support. This unlocks the 6 GHz band, which acts like a VIP highway for your data with zero interference from your neighbor's router. Whether you are streaming massive 8K raw footage or engaging in high-stakes cloud gaming, connection drops will be a thing of the past. For the purists and the home theater enthusiasts, the Gigabit Ethernet port is staying right where it belongs, providing a rock-solid hardwired connection for those who demand zero latency. This device is being built for the future of 8K entertainment, ensuring your hardware won't be obsolete for years to come. Now, let's talk about the leak that is actually going to break the internet. The price point. Historically, the Apple tax meant you paid double just for the logo on the box. But the latest leaks from top industry analysts suggest a complete 180-degree turn in Apple's business model. We are hearing strong, consistent rumors of a sub-$100 price point. Specifically, a $99 entry price. If Apple drops a device with an A19 chip for under $100, it is officially game over for Roku, Amazon, and Google. They simply cannot compete with that level of silicon at that price. Apple has realized that the real money isn't in the hardware sales anymore, it is in the monthly services like Apple TV Plus, Apple Music, and Apple Arcade. By making the hardware affordable, they ensure an Apple device is in every single living room on the planet. This device is also becoming the central commander, the brain, of your entire home. With full support for Matter and Thread, the 2026 Apple TV becomes the ultimate smart home hub. It connects your lights, your locks, your thermostats, and your security cameras regardless of what brand they are. Because the new chip is so powerful, the response times for your smart home commands will be instant. No more waiting for Siri to think about turning on your kitchen lights. Furthermore, there is intense chatter about a hybrid device that might launch alongside this box, a device that combines the Apple TV with a HomePod speaker and a dedicated FaceTime camera. This would allow your TV to become a video conferencing hub and a spatial audio powerhouse all in one. Apple is also doubling down on Apple Intelligence. The 2026 Apple TV will likely feature an on-device neural engine capable of massive AI tasks. Imagine a version of Siri that actually understands context, or a system that can automatically upscale old 1080p family movies into stunning 4K or even 8K quality in real time. This isn't just a media player, it is an AI-powered entertainment center. It will learn your viewing habits to a degree we haven't seen, suggesting content across all your apps in one seamless interface. The spring 2026 launch is a massive warning shot to the entire tech industry. You are getting console-level graphics, future-proof internet speeds, a high-end smart home hub, and AI-driven features, all for potentially less than $100. It is the absolute best tech purchase of the decade, dollar for dollar. It bridges the gap between affordable streaming and high-end professional performance in a way we have never seen before. Do not buy the current model today unless your current one is literally on fire. The leap in performance and the drop in price is worth your patience. This is the upgrade that finally makes the Apple ecosystem a necessity for everyone, not just the enthusiasts. If you like this video and want to stay updated on the latest tech leaks and deep dives, make sure to subscribe to the channel right now. Share this video with your friends who are thinking about buying a new streaming stick, save them from making a bad purchase. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the 2026 Apple lineup. In my opinion, this new strategy from Apple is the smartest move they have made in years. They are finally prioritizing the user's wallet to win the war for the living room. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.